Still issues arising. Cost to social no. So now I think some Monday no, we did a story about alleged fake accounts be belonging to being presidents. Boy, that mama Miss Stoneboy picture. Still a cost so, but come to think of it, no, because me bisa say, if you share mobile na my year, I didn't just say or no, and I said voice na na mujina so. Me you share, I mean, boy picture. But na bra was one man monting image we. To yes, and here because on say Clemento Suarez, a comedian na. Otimi kasa to say JJ Rollins. So Clemento also Otimi me make JJ Rollins voice. So what if? The question is what if? Sa voice ya mo okay. What if say obia or kasa to say Stoneboy? How about that? What's say Monday mi jama mo. Me call comment section was still there. Mo say allige. Me call her agenda mas agent. Mo there mo say chenchina wo no a. Me da so gina baby a me gina say mi nim de ekoso. What say? Mi nim de ekoso. It's over to you. Tie biem na mo nyenhwehwe mo nyam famre me. Why adwuma ma hwehwe ne memo abre ma bre. It is said tim biem ne tie ade ba.
Particular account because you mentioned Vaughn and somebody else. From which account?
What do you call it?
LASMID,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, I heard of it.
Okay, so that is where I agree with you that I said that it's a possibility that Stoneboy owns that and operate that account. That's the first possibility. Do you agree with me? It could be that Stoneboy created that account.
No, I don't agree with you because when I heard the voice when Stoneboy was talking, the actual voice was different.
No, but if you hear that voice through that account and you're telling me that there's no possibility that he owns and operates.
Love, seriously, do you know that you sound you sound like Stoneboy a little bit? Do you know that?
No, I don't sound like Stoneboy. No,
you sound like the voice.
Well, then, mommy, be some question. Mommy, be some question. We may patch out.
You know, right now my cousin was asking me if Stoneboy was talking. I said, no, that's not Stoneboy.
Hey, that will control that wedding, boy. Hey,
okay,
you sound like Stoneboy.
Okay, so Miss Morningstar, I don't believe that those tweets that is coming from the account is coming from Stoneboy. Right?
Yes.
On the other hand, I believe that as at that time, Stoneboy used that person account, whether he logged in or he was with that person, and he talked to the account. Do you agree with that?
I don't know because I get confused.
Maybe as at that. No. But you heard the voice through that account.
But when the man himself was talking, I was confused. I was like, oh, what I heard was
so you're
different.
Confused.
Boy.
Ghana. I understand.
What I heard was different from Stoneboy's actual
voice.
What
you guys are doing, right, Miss? What you guys are doing, right, is making it very, very difficult. I don't think